It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. Huey and I and all the staff at Tech for Senior would like to wish you a happy holiday. You probably will be traveling to visit your loved ones and spend enjoyable time. There's going to be record numbers of cars on the road, and it's going to be a busy week. So we've prepared a little video on how you can use technology to stay safe while traveling. Hopefully you enjoy this and have a great holiday, and thank you so much for all the support you've given Tech for Senior this year.
The holidays are here. Time to pack your bags, grab your passport, and head out for some well-deserved adventure. But before you swap your everyday hustle for exotic locales and festive markets, let's talk safety. These days, staying safe goes beyond just common sense. It means tapping into the power of technology. Think of your smartphone as your own personal travel guardian angel. It's packed with tools and apps that can help you navigate unfamiliar cities, stay connected with loved ones, and handle emergencies like a pro. We're not just talking about snapping the perfect selfie for Instagram here. We're talking about using technology to make smart, informed decisions that keep you safe throughout your journey. This isn't about letting technology rule your trip. It's about using it strategically to enhance your experience and give you peace of mind. So whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time flyer, get ready to discover how to travel smarter, safer, and with a little help from your trusty tech companions. Planning your trip has never been easier. With a plethora of travel apps available, you can book flights, reserve accommodations, and even plan your itinerary, all from the comfort of your home. Apps like Skyscanner and Booking.com allow you to compare prices and find the best deals, ensuring you get the most value for your money. And don't forget about currency converter apps, which can help you manage your budget and avoid any financial surprises. Language barriers? Not a problem. Translation apps like Google Translate can help you communicate with locals, making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Staying informed about health and safety guidelines is crucial, especially in today's world. Apps like CDC's Travel Health can provide you with up-to-date information on vaccinations, health advisories, and more. Weather apps are another essential tool. Knowing the weather forecast can help you pack appropriately and plan your activities, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. Safety apps like Life 360 allow you to share your location with family and friends, giving them peace of mind and ensuring you have a safety net in case of emergencies. And let's not forget about travel insurance apps. These can help you quickly file claims and access important policy information, providing an extra layer of security during your travels. Navigation apps like Google Maps and City Mapper can help you find your way around new cities, whether you're walking, driving, or using public transportation. And when it comes to dining, apps like Yelp and Uber Eats can help you discover local cuisine and have it delivered right to your doorstep. Staying fit and relaxed during your travels is also important. Fitness apps can help you find local gyms, while meditation apps can provide a moment of calm amidst the excitement. Finally, don't forget to document your journey. Travel journal apps allow you to capture memories and share your experiences with friends and family. So, as you embark on your holiday travels, remember to embrace technology. It can enhance your experience, keep you safe, and ensure you make the most of your adventure. Happy travels, and may your journey be filled with joy, safety, and unforgettable moments. Before you even think about packing that extra pair of shoes, let's get your tech game in check. In today's digital age, your smartphone and laptop are just as essential as your passport and tickets. They are your lifeline, your guide, and your connection to the world. So let's make sure they're ready for the adventure ahead. Think of this as your digital safety net, ensuring a smoother, more secure travel experience. Your devices can help you navigate unfamiliar streets, translate foreign languages, and keep in touch with loved ones, but only if they're properly prepared. First up, download offline maps of your destination. Trust me, there's nothing worse than being lost in translation with a dead phone battery. Offline maps are a lifesaver when you can't get a signal or Wi-Fi. They allow you to navigate the city, find your hotel, and explore local attractions without worrying about data charges or connectivity issues. Google Maps and Maps.me are your new best friends. These apps offer detailed maps, directions, and even public transportation routes. Plus, they work offline, so you can use them anywhere, anytime. Just make sure to download the maps before you leave home. Next, notify your bank and credit card companies about your travel plans. This prevents any surprise card declines when you're trying to pay for that delicious street food. Banks often flag foreign transactions as suspicious, which can lead to your card being blocked. A quick call or online notification can save you from this hassle. And speaking of money, download a currency converter app like ℙ𝕝𝕝. No more mental math gymnastics while browsing those souvenir stalls. These apps provide real-time exchange rates, helping you understand the true cost of items in your home currency. This way, you can budget better and avoid overspending. Now, let's talk about staying connected. International roaming charges can be a real buzzkill. They can quickly add up, leaving you with a hefty bill at the end of your trip. But don't worry, there are ways to stay connected without breaking the bank. Consider getting a local SIM card at your destination or using a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Local SIM cards are often cheaper and offer better data plans than international roaming. Portable Wi-Fi hotspots, on the other hand, allow you to connect multiple devices to the internet, making them perfect for group travel. And for those essential conversations back home, download a messaging app like WhatsApp or Signal. They use end-to-end encryption, keeping your conversations private and secure. These apps also allow you to make voice and video calls over the internet, saving you from expensive international call charges. Lastly, let's talk about digital security. Use a password manager to keep track of your passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your accounts. This adds an extra layer of security, protecting your personal information from hackers. Remember, a secure journey is a happy journey. Also, consider using a VPN when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. Public Wi-Fi can be a hotspot for cyber criminals looking to steal your data. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, keeping your information safe and secure. With these tips, you're ready to embark on a secure and enjoyable journey. Safe travels. All right, you've landed. You're excited, but hold your horses before you wander off into the unknown. Remember those offline maps you downloaded? Now's the time to put them to use. Familiarize yourself with your surroundings, mark your hotel on the map, and pinpoint those must-visit attractions. Enable location services on your phone, but be mindful of which apps have access to your location. Share your real-time location with a trusted friend or family member back home. It's like having a digital travel buddy keeping tabs on your whereabouts. If you're using ride-hailing services like Uber or Lyft, always double-check the license plate and driver's information before hopping in. And when exploring new areas, be aware of your surroundings. Don't be that person with their face buried in their phone, oblivious to the world around them. Stay alert, stay aware, and enjoy the journey. Section 4. Staying connected securely. Communication tips for travelers. Let's face it, staying connected is non-negotiable these days, especially when you're on the road. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, staying in touch with family, friends, and colleagues is essential. But how do you ensure that your communication is both effective and secure? But before you connect to that free airport Wi-Fi, remember that not all networks are created equal. Free Wi-Fi networks, while convenient, can be a hotbed for cyber threats. It's crucial to understand the risks involved and take necessary precautions. Public Wi-Fi can be a breeding ground for hackers and scammers. These malicious actors often set up fake Wi-Fi hotspots to lure unsuspecting users. Once connected, they can easily intercept your data, including personal information, passwords, and even financial details. Avoid accessing sensitive information like bank accounts or credit card details while using public Wi-Fi. If you must check your bank account or make an online purchase, use your mobile data instead. It's a safer option compared to public Wi-Fi. When it comes to communicating with loved ones back home, stick to encrypted messaging apps. These apps use end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only you and the person you're communicating with can read the messages. WhatsApp, Signal, and Telegram are all great options. They offer robust security features and are widely used around the world. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication on these apps for an added layer of security. These apps keep your conversations private and secure, even if your device is lost or stolen. Always lock your phone with a strong password or biometric authentication to prevent unauthorized access. Consider setting up a VPN or virtual private network on your devices. A VPN creates a secure tunnel for your internet traffic, making it difficult for anyone to intercept or tamper with your data. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, adding an extra layer of security, especially when using public Wi-Fi. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your online activities. It's like giving your online activity a secret handshake that only you and the VPN server know. This ensures that your data remains confidential and protected from prying eyes. Additionally, a VPN can help you access content that might be restricted in certain regions. This is particularly useful for travelers who want to stay updated with news or access streaming services from their home country. In summary, staying connected while traveling is crucial, but it's equally important to prioritize your online security. Use encrypted messaging apps, avoid accessing sensitive information on public Wi-Fi, and consider using a VPN to protect your data. By following these tips, you can enjoy your travels without compromising your digital security. Stay connected, stay secure, and make the most of your journey. Section 5. Health and Safety Apps. Essential tools for a worry-free trip. Nobody wants to think about getting sick or injured while traveling, but it's always better to be prepared. Before you depart, download a first aid app like Red Cross First Aid or Pocket Doctor. These apps provide step-by-step instructions for handling common medical emergencies. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions, create a digital medical ID on your phone. This can be a lifesaver in case of emergencies, allowing first responders to access your vital medical information quickly. Research local emergency numbers at your destination. Save them in your phone and write them down somewhere accessible. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the location of hospitals or clinics near your accommodation.